We're surrounded by so many things that are like plastic, and we know it breaks down, but we know it doesn't like decompose. So where does it go, and like what does it do, and what does it affect? We know that our bodies are all made out of cells and stuff, so those are single cells. And in the wild, there are single cells that just live on their own. If the plastics negatively affect the cells, that might affect the entire ecosystem. There hasn't been many studies on how microplastics affect the single cells. So we have the single cells that I was talking about. They're called Tetrahymena pyriformis, which is a unicellular ciliate. Because they're a single cell, they're very, very small. So in here, there's probably hundreds, thousands of them, even in that like little amount, just floating around. What we do with them is we expose them to the microplastics, which are inside of here. This is the sample that I'm currently working with. And then this is the microscope we use. It has this attachment right here, which allows us to take videos and pictures of what we're seeing through here, which is really useful for showing other people our work. It's really amazing that I've had this opportunity. Like at many other universities, I wouldn't have been able to do this as a sophomore, let alone probably a senior. The research experience I got from here pushed my resume above what a normal undergraduate would be able to do.